I'm Elizabeth Hinson with the Gray Group at Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to my new listing, 9200 Old Watermelon Road, conveniently located by both North River Yacht Club and Lake Tuscaloosa. This home features tons of updates. The roof was installed in 2022. It's got a new HVAC system, a Puronics whole home water filtration system, a new saltwater pool, Sonos home sound system indoor and outdoor, a tornado shelter, and so much more. To schedule a showing, give me a call, Elizabeth Hinson, the Gray Group at Keller Williams Realty at 205-861-3424.